What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Look at my dog. For those of you who don't know, it's your girl Felicity, and for those of you who do know, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, thank you for coming back to my video. Today is a random day, but I'm going to day trade once again. I'm going to flip $50 to $500, y'all, and I want y'all to watch me. And like I said, I'm not gonna show you the strategies yet until I get more like comments, likes, you know, engagement type stuff. And I'll show you guys how I do it, like step by step on screen sharing. But for now, you can see the live proof of me really flipping money. Okay, so don't stop asking people for money. Go get your own money. Go put $50 on a little bank account or something, y'all. You can really make money. And like, I really want to like advocate for like y'all can make money. Like, you do not have to ask people. You don't have to work a 9 to 5. You can work a 9 to 5, but with your 9 to 5 job, take about 100 of that paycheck and put it on this and learn how to do it. And you can flip that 100 to 1,000. With dedication and motivation, you got this. Like, I kid you not. But I'm not going to talk so much because I talk a lot, y'all. I talk a lot. I'm going to just flip 50 to 500. Comment down below. Share my video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will show you guys, teach you guys how I get the profit of what I get. There's like 5 strategies. But anyways, watch what I do, guys. So I'm going to start with $51 actually. And I'm gonna make it, cause that looks scary. I'll make it. What am I doing, girl? What are you doing? Hurry up, girl! It's gonna pass. I'm gonna make it a minute. That seems a little bit safer because I feel like I'm gonna win the bet. I'm gonna bet the whole balance, so let's make it 51. And we're gonna wait a minute, and we're gonna see. Okay, guys. And like, as you can see, like I said before, y'all don't know how I'm exactly like going in for these trades and stuff, but I'm like actually following like analytics in my head. I'm making sure certain things are in place. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all for now, and then eventually I'll show you exactly how to do it. 36, y'all see that? And it looks like I won the bet here. And you see the balance. I started with 50K. And remember, you can do this with real money. Okay? You can do this with real money. Okay? So, just have the motivation. And if you want... Oh, dog! Don't move me right now. Yo, my dogs. Show them here. Oh, okay. They want to see this. Bam! I want it, y'all. And profit straight up. Okay, so let's do the next one. Yeah, I had to switch ones because like that was scary. And I'm gonna do bam. You see my balance? And you always have to make sure you bet the whole balance, so of course your balance can double up, right? Y'all see the balance. So let's just work this and see what happens. Okay, guys. And you see this count was about time out, so it's gonna stop and create a new one. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Okay. Don't go down right now. I believe in you. You're supposed to go up. Okay? It's like, I know it's gonna go up. I don't know if it's gonna go up. It's going down! I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, y'all. I knew it was gonna go up. That's why I made the call, right? Right. Okay. You don't know what you want to do. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. You don't know what you want to do. Y'all, this was kind of a close call. So you can see it raw. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it. But dang, why you got to do me like that? Okay, I got it, y'all. Congratulations. But I shouldn't have made that call knowing the market is like doing all this weird stuff right now. Even though it was consistent right there. And then it's not, it's overbought. It's like right in the middle. But anyways, I made a call, y'all. So you see my balance now. I said 500. I'm gonna get it to 400, guys, okay? Just so you can see. So next clip, let's see. Also, y'all, before I put a bet in, I want to let you know, like, I don't want to teach too much right now. You have to wait for another video. Like, when you see it, like, all weird like that, and then you see one person, like, try to, like, sell it, and then they just kept buying it, and then you gotta look at the fractal. It looks like, yeah. Let's see the trend for now. Super trend, where you at? Where you at? Okay, yeah, so it's basically trending higher than it is. So yeah, this isn't a good call. Let's see what's next, y'all. Hold on. So I was trying to hurry up. I was trying to make this call. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did it go? Before I talk to you guys, because I was gonna miss it. Okay. So this one's just 30 seconds because I don't think the market's gonna be selling for too long. I think it's gonna sell for like literally a minute. So I just went for 30 seconds. I risked it, y'all. Let's see. And this was honestly not a good call because like it's like not fully over, it's fully not overbought, and it's just not a good call. But I made profit, guys. 288, bam. Congratulations, girl. Thank you. Okay, so I have 288. We're gonna make one more bet to make it 300. Like I told you guys. Okay, so we're gonna try one more to make it 300, like I told you guys, okay? And let's go in for this 288. I think I see another good call, so let's just take it right now. Hold on, guys. Okay, y'all, so I lied. I'm not going for that market. It was doing weird stuff. I was gonna lose all my money, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna just go in for this one, and like I said, I'm flipping this to 300 for y'all. Okay. And like I said, anyone wanting to learn how I do this or anything else, just like reach out to me. I would not mind. Or like just start watching my videos and stuff, and like I'll give you lessons and stuff, okay guys? And I think she's trying to push up right there, guys. You see my balance, and this balance is just gonna clear it all the way, okay? So bam, and I won, guys. And there goes the video for today. I said 300, but I flipped 50 to 500, and all I did was brain work, y'all. All I did was brain work. And all these like indicators really help. So when you start learning and learning more how to use them, what to look at, blah, 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 you know, then it will be a little bit easier. But like y'all see the balance, foolproof on live, showed y'all. And just comment down below, like my video, subscribe, share. And if you want to learn how to make money without asking people and like working 9 to 5, you ready to learn? Let me know, and I'm going to start up something. I just don't want to start something up and no one's interested, so just let me know, you guys. And I'm going to end this little tutorial and paste it on me. Okay, guys? And just like that, I got $500, y'all. Oh my gosh. I am so happy I found it. You guys, it's just so exciting when you learn something. You're actually making a profit out of it, y'all. I'm so excited. Oreo, isn't that exciting? You can have a doggy mansion. Oh my god. So I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding, but for real. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.